Next is topic of the discussion is effect of the temperature on viscosity. So what is the effect of the temperature on the viscosity? So I already told you in the last class. So what is the effect? In case of liquid, when we are increasing the temperature of the liquid, the viscosity is going to decrease. In case of gases, when we are increasing the temperature of the gases, the viscosity is going to increase. Okay, I'm writing down. So for liquid, when we are increasing the temperature, in that case, my viscosity gets decreasing. And in case of gas, when we are increasing the temperature, then viscosity is also gets increased. Okay. In case of liquid, when we are increasing the temperature of the liquid, so when we are going to increase the temperature of the liquid, what will happen? The intermolecular forces of the liquid gets decreased. So when the intermolecular forces get decreased, it means that viscosity is also going to decrease. Okay. But in case of gases, what will happen? When we are increasing the temperature, the momentum is also increased, because I already told you the intermolecular forces in between the gases is very low, or you can saying that it's almost negligible. So what will happen when we are increasing the temperature? Due to increase in temperature, the momentum is also increased, the rate of collision will also increase. जैसे ही आपका होता क्या है कि जैसे ही गैसेस में आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते हैं, तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने की वजह से आपका क्या हो रहा है, मोमेंटम पार्टिकल्स का बढ़ जा रहा है, जिसकी वजह से रैंडमनेस आपकी बढ़ जा रही है, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो कोलिजन का जो रेट है, जो पार्टिकल्स आपस में स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं, उनका जो रेट ऑफ कोलिजन है, वो भी आपका क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज कर जा रहा है, जिसकी वजह से आपका क्या हो रहा है, हमारा विस्कोसिटी आपका इंक्रीज कर जा रही है. ओके. सो in case of gases, when we are going to increase the temperature, it means that the viscosity is also increases.